Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Avanteesh, and if this is the first time you're watching my channel, then thank you so much for tuning in. And so if you like this kind of content, then please hit the like button and subscribe. So coming on to today's video, today we are going to be taking some pictures of the moon with my backyard telescope and camera. So more on that in a second, but first, if you guys don't know me, I'm a 15-year-old astrophotographer, and I make astrophotography videos on this channel. So I'm mainly a planetary and lunar imager. So that's what I'm doing tonight, taking close-ups on the craters on the moon. So hope you guys follow along for the ride. And now let's take a look at the gear I'm using, which includes my telescope and camera. So for image capture acquisition, I'm going to be using my Orion Starseeker 5-inch telescope. So this is made by Orion telescopes and binoculars, and it's a very versatile scope. It has an aperture of 5.5 inches and a focal length of 650 millimeters. So I will also be putting a 3x Barlow on my camera to get me closer. So now let's get on to the camera and see what. For the camera, I'm using my ZWO camera 224 MC, which is made by ZWO Astronomy cameras, and along with it I also want to use a 3x Barlow lens from Celestron right here. So this Barlow lens, it's a 3x Barlow, and I'm going to be using it for close-ups, but without the Barlow I'm going to take full disc shots. So now that we know what we are using, let's just get on imaging. Okay, so I'm outside right now, and I've got my camera pointed towards the moon and focused. So the focus looks very good, and I'm on the Apennine Mountains right now, which is on the moon. So let's just pick a crater to capture. So I want to capture this crater you see right here. It's called the Plateau Crater. The crater you see at the center. So first of all, I'm just gonna wait for some time to get a steady atmosphere, because the weather is very windy tonight. Excuse me. So here's another crater, and I'm not sure what it's called, but whatever. I want to capture this. It's near a nice mountain. So this is still on right now, so it should be good to go. So I don't have much to say right now, so I'm gonna end this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the final images. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.